So today I'm going to show you something super useful inside Codex, plugins. If you've been using Codex just as a chat tool, you're missing out because plugins let your agent actually connect to the tools you already use, like Gmail, Slack, Notion, whatever. Let me show you how to set one up. So first thing, click on this plugins tab right here on the side. This is basically the app store for Codex. You'll see a big list of plugins here. There's over 100 of them. These are basically connections that let Codex talk to outside apps. Let's say I want to connect Gmail. I just search for it and click install. That's it. 2 clicks. It'll ask you to log in and authorize access, so go ahead and sign in with your account. Once it's connected, you'll notice it actually comes with built-in skills too, like an inbox triage skill. That's a bonus. We're not going deep into skills today, just plugins. Now, let's actually use it. I'll start a new chat. To use a plugin in your prompt, just type the @ symbol, then Gmail, and look. All your connected plugins show up right here. I'll click Gmail. I'll just paste my prompt here. Look through my recent activity and give me a quick summary of anything that needs my attention. Put it in a simple, easy to scan list, and I hit send. Now, Codex is going through my actual inbox because it has permission through the plugin. And there it is. It pulled real emails and summarized them for me, all without me opening Gmail myself. So that's it. That's how easy it is to install and use a plugin in Codex. Connect it once from the Plugins tab, then just type @ anytime you want your agent to use it. Try connecting one of your own tools and see what you can automate. All right, that's it for this one. See you in the next tutorial.